Hey, it's David Shelton, and I'm with the Kelly Construction team at Century 21 Advantage. So happy to introduce you to Kyle Kelly, who is the president of Kelly Construction Incorporated, and Stephanie Vostad, who is the director of client experience. And today we're going to introduce a brand new community to you in Sioux Falls. You're going to be blown away. You'll want to listen. Hey, Kyle, tell us about this new community.
Absolutely. Thanks, David. We are so excited to be bringing to Sioux Falls the Courtyards at Golden Gateway, which is an Epcon community being built by Kelly Construction.
Yeah.
This is a community unlike any other community that Sioux Falls has today. It is an amenity-rich, 55 and over active adult community, and it is going to be awesome. We're breaking ground on the very first units today, and we're going to be bringing a whole bunch more onto the market very, very soon.
Yeah, so excited about this. This launch is going to be like no other as well. We're going to have an informational meeting. You'll get the information below. Be sure to sign up because we need an RSVP for this meeting. You'll be on the VIP list, so which is very, very cool. Stephanie will be there. Kyle will be there. I'll be there. There'll be others there as well, but be sure that you are there. Stephanie, tell us a little bit about what people can expect in client experience.
Well, hopefully it's wonderful, and hopefully the designs are just as wonderful. So we're going to have a preview of some of the offerings that people are able to choose from if they choose to get one of these homes. We're going to really simplify it for them so that there's not an overwhelming amount of options for you, and you'll still be guaranteed a beautiful property when you're done.
Yes. Kelly Construction is known for its absolute beautiful craftsmanship. Many of you have seen or heard our videos and what we've done in the past, what Kelly Construction has done here in both in South and East Sioux Falls. We can't wait to bring this development to you. Be sure to tell your friends, bring your neighbors. This is one event in Sioux Falls that you'll not want to miss. Thanks so much.